Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to draw a seascape. So first I'm outlining a horizon with a pencil and some rocks, but just really faintly so that I can rub it out if I want to. Adding a lighthouse, and feel free to look at your own seascape if you can see the sea, or photos on the internet or your own photographs. That would be wonderful. I'm adding a little boat in the distance and a seagull. So if you have trouble drawing any of those details, you can look at photos to help you of birds or boats. Now for the watercolor. First, I'm painting just with water the sky. So I'm not using any color, I'm just painting with water and I'm just doing the sky. I'm not painting where the seagull is or the boat, just the sky with water, and it's called creating a wash. And now I'm mixing different blues because I don't want to be just one blue, and I'm just applying it where the water is. You can use quite a lot of water because we want it to blend and look quite natural. So you can blend the different blues. Make sure it's still wet. You have to work fairly quickly so that your water's wet, so that the paint can really blend and create a kind of sky effect. There we are. Now with the tissue you can add your clouds by crumpling a tissue and pressing it onto your sky. It's going to kind of create a cloud effect. There we have it. Now you need to wait for it to dry. I was a bit rushed, so I didn't quite wait enough time. You'll see what happens if you don't wait. I'm just wetting where the land is, and I'm going to paint it green. I'm mixing different greens again because I don't want it to, I want it to look quite realistic. And the green is blending beautifully with the water. Now you can see, because I didn't wait for it to dry really well, it's bleeding into the sky. But it doesn't matter, just you can just sponge it off with a tissue, just dab it off. Adding a bit of grey in the clouds, you don't have to do that, but just thought it would look a bit more like clouds. Now again, you need to wait for it to dry. And I'm going to do the sea. Same, I'm going to do some rocks, sorry. So I'm just adding some grey for the rocks by the shore. You could have a beach if you want. So it's up to you what you add, you don't have to copy this. And now waiting for it to dry, and using the same technique for the sea. Just put some water and then different blues again, because I don't want it to look just exactly like the sky. Doing it a bit darker, I've added some greens. And I'm adding my details. So now we don't want to use too much water for the details because we don't want to blend too much. So I'm just adding a bit seagull and the boat. And there we have our nice little watercolor. I can't wait to see what you do. Oh, I've added a bit of white, so it's not traditional with watercolor to add white, but I've added for the sea foam a bit of white on the edges of where the rocks are and on the clouds. There we have it. I can't wait to see what you do. Bye!